Alrighty, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to start your first crypto project. If you're watching this video and you're thinking about entering the crypto space as a developer, this is the exact video that you need to watch. Whether you want to start a decentralized exchange protocol, whether you want to do an insurance protocol, whether you want to do a meme coin, if you're thinking about starting a crypto project, this is what you need to do. The first thing you need to do when you're starting a crypto project is come up with what exactly that protocol is going to do. So what is it? Is it a meme coin? Is it a decentralized exchange? What exactly are you trying to accomplish in crypto? That's the first thing you need to do. Once you've gotten that down, then you need to make the website. You need to make the logo. You need to make all the social media profiles. That's the second thing you need to do. The third thing you need to do is actually start getting the word out. So you need to actually start marketing this project and decide whether you want to sell tokens or you want to sell equity. Now, once you've gotten that down, I'm assuming you've figured out the tokenomics by then, how much you want to sell, what the initial market cap is. Then you want to launch it. So you can launch this protocol or do your launch on your own website, or you can do it on a launchpad like PinkSale. Once you've done that, then it's time to actually build the project and build out a dApp, or just go out and accomplish whatever you set out to accomplish with the capital that you raised. So those are the 5 simple steps that you need to take when you're starting your crypto project. It's very simple. The execution is much harder. So I want to share with you a little background on how I started my first crypto project, and hopefully this story will give you some inspiration. You can take some lessons from the mistakes I made and hopefully use it to your benefit. So I recently started a crypto project 1 month ago exactly. And we actually did our launch 1 month ago. We, from incubation to launch, took about 3 weeks. So in the beginning of September 2023 was when, we decided, hey, we're going to incubate a crypto project. So September 1st, I had no idea what type of crypto project I wanted to do. End of September, we launched, and now we're continuing to build it. So in crypto, you can move very, very fast if you know what you're doing. So when I started my first crypto project, I wanted to do something that was viable, that didn't require, a long timeline, a long development schedule. I wanted to do something that was simple, that resonated with my background, and that's something I could execute fast. So you want to think about what experience you come from. Do you come from healthcare? Do you come from technology? Do you come from finance? Like, what industry, what real world experience do you have? And then hopefully you can parlay that into crypto. Because at the end of the day, like, Web3 is just taking like existing businesses, existing organizations, and then adding blockchain technology, adding token aspects to it. That's really all it is. You have centralized exchanges and then you have decentralized exchanges. The only difference is that decentralized part, where they're integrating blockchain technology, they're using cryptocurrencies as like the native asset to transact on that platform, and the power isn't like centralized into one person. That's all crypto is. So given that, I decided to actually do like a community meme coin. So I wanted to, it's my first project, right? So when you're doing your first project, you want to be really realistic. Like the reality was, this is my first project. Is this going to be the next Ethereum? Is this going to be the next Tron? No. This is my first project. So it was a meme coin. The cool thing about a meme coin is that you can really have fun with it. It was sort of just a side project, something that, I could build with some people that I know that are cool, and we could just enter crypto and do something cool and do something that I resonate with. So my community token was really centered around this idea of, assembling all the best people into one community. That was really like the mission of my community token. I wanted to just assemble like all the top people in the industry and just have fun with it, grow it. It was like an animal, and that's it. So I wanted to keep it simple. Came up with that concept, and then from there we made the website, we made the logo, did the social media, and then we started marketing it. So this is where the majority of the efforts are going to be allocated to. So you want to really connect with people that are your target audience. Like, you got to think about where are your people hanging out, and they're most likely hanging out in communities, in Telegram groups, in Facebook groups. You got to find out where these people are, hit up the leaders, work out some sort of collaboration, and then get the word out, start building your own community for your crypto project. And once that gets big enough, you can feel the hype, you can see people are excited about the launch. That's when you know you're ready to launch. When people are like, hey, when is the launch? When people start asking you that, you know it's almost time to launch. So like I said, the launch, you can do it on your website. You can get a smart contract developer to develop that website, develop the smart contract for the pre-sale. You want to decide, do you want to do a pre-sale, right? Do you want to allocate, allocation to people that have been early supporters or some sort of value add that's going to extend into the future? Or do you want to do a fair launch? Do you want to give everybody equal chance to participate in the initial sale? So that's going to be up to you to decide. So that's how you'll do that. You can also do it on a launch pad like PinkSale, where they'll host your launch, and you'll pretty much have to, you can just bypass like smart contract development, smart contract audits, and they'll just host a pre-sale for you. You do have to give them like some fees and stuff, but yeah, it just depends like how you want to do it. And that's entirely your decision. And then after you launch, then you're going to go out and build out whatever you set out to build out, like whatever protocol, whatever mission that you set out to do. That's when you go out and build it. So that's pretty much my experience in crypto and launching my own crypto project. I'm still working on that project to this day, and we're trying to continue to grow it. But that's it. Hopefully that this video was helpful. If you need any help, you can just find me on all the social media platforms. And that's that. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.